Let's walk through the essential steps of performing a bank reconciliation within Odoo, ensuring your financial records are precise. Navigate to the accounting application from your Odoo dashboard, your central hub for financial operations. Select the bank journal account you wish to reconcile. Odoo will present the current balance and transactions awaiting attention. Import your latest bank statement into Odoo or manually post new transactions. Click on the Transactions section to view all items that require reconciliation. Odoo displays bank entries alongside internal accounting records, allowing efficient matching of transactions. Once all entries are matched or adjustments made, click Validate to finalize the reconciliation. Your bank account is fully reconciled. A confirmation message indicates the successful completion. Bank reconciliation in Odoo is designed to be fast and effective, ensuring your financial books remain accurate. For expert Odoo accounting support, visit www.mtbcpa.us.